Machakos Governor Wavinya Ndeti now says there is a wave of political attacks sweeping across the country targeting women governors. Addressing a congregation during a Sunday worship service at the Victory Church Mudinza in Kalama Sub-County, Wavinya urged the church to pray and stand with women governors whom she said were facing unwarranted smear campaigns from numerous distractors. Wavinya's remarks come barely 2 months after Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza was impeached over a vicious cycle of conflict with members of the County Assembly. In Machakos, a political storm has shaken up the County Assembly, where about 33 MCAs have signed up to impeach Speaker Ann Kiusia through a notice of motion which has been filed with the clerk of the County Assembly. However, Wavinya has advised the Speaker to engage the MCAs for a round-table dialogue to unlock the impasse.
Kuna shetani imetokezea. Ile shetani last year wameua wanawake. So many women have died. Hii ni shetani nyingine imetoka ya kupiga magavana wote wale kina mama. Hii ni shetani. Yani women are endangered. Nimeona ingine wanapiga wanga huko, wanapiga Keheka, wanapiga Mbarire, wanapiga Wavinya. What I can just tell Madam Speaker, please call your people and sit with them. Waite mkae chini muongee.
Now, in a bid to end perennial